What is drift velocity? The average velocity acquired by the free electrons of a conductor in the opposite direction of the externally applied electric field is called drift velocity. It is represented by Vd, d as a subscript. Now, the expression for drift velocity, that is Vd. If a conductor is under the influence of electric field E, then force experienced by a free electron is F equal to minus small e into capital E. Since you know that F is equal to QE, here in place of Q, minus E, which is the charge on electron. But the negative sign shows that the direction of force F and the electric field intensity E are opposite to each other. The acceleration produced in the electron is A equal to F by M. Here M is the mass of electron. Since we know that F is equal to minus small e into capital E, putting this value in place of F, we got acceleration A equal to minus E into capital E by M. Now, using equation of motion, the equation for Vd can be written as Vd equal to U plus A tau. Since all of you read the equation of motion in 11th, S equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square equal to 2as, and v equal to u plus at. Here in place of v, we took drift velocity Vd, and u is the initial velocity, which is as usual, plus a is the acceleration, which is as usual. Here tau is the relaxation time, which is replaced to time t. Therefore, Vd equal to u plus a tau. Since the initial velocity of electron is 0, then Vd equal to 0 plus minus small e capital E by m into tau. Here we put A equal to minus small e capital E by m. Then the magnitude of Vd equal to Vd equal to small e into capital E by m into tau. It is our final equation for drift velocity in terms of relaxation time. Now, what is relaxation time? The relaxation time tau, it is the small interval of time between two successive collisions between electron and ions in the conductor is called relaxation time or mean free time, tau. That is tau equal to mean free path by RMS velocity of electron. Since mean free path is represented by lambda and root mean square velocity of electron represented by V subscript RMS, therefore tau is equal to lambda by V RMS. From equation it is clear Vrms increases with increase in temperature, so relaxation time tau decreases with increase in temperature. The value of tau is of the order of 10 to the power minus 14 seconds. It's all for today.